The topic is human body. We looked at internal and external parts of the body. We looked at, during our previous lesson, we looked at internal and external parts of the body. We also looked at the functions of the internal parts of the body, like reproduction, internal and external parts of the body, like reproduction, excretion, circulation, digestion, among many others. Now, today, I want us to look at the senses. We said a human being has got 5 senses. We shall look at them as time goes by, but we begin by characteristics of living things. The following are characteristics of living things. Before we look at the characteristics, you need to understand what characteristics is. Characteristics refers to behavior shown by animals. Behavior shown by animals is called characteristics. And the following are characteristics of all living beings. Number 1, they breathe in air and they release air from their bodies. They breathe in air and they release air from their bodies. The air that we breathe in is oxygen, as you know. We breathe in oxygen and out carbon dioxide, because carbon dioxide is a waste gas. I repeat, we breathe in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Number 2, another characteristic number 2 is that they reproduce. To reproduce means to give rise to new offspring or generation. To give rise to new offspring or generation is reproduction. Now, animals reproduce in 2 ways, or reproduction takes place in 2 ways: giving birth or laying eggs. Giving birth or laying eggs. Number 3, they feed. They feed. Now, to feed is to eat. Animals eat. They grow, that is, they change in size. Number 4, they remove waste. They remove waste, like sweating and urinating are 2 examples of removing waste. I've also said that we breathe out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is also a waste in the body. Then they move from one place to another, just like parts of their bodies. Yes, they move from a place to place, or parts of their body, like plants do. The next characteristics of all living things is that they sense, that is, they react to changes in the environment. Environment refers to the surrounding of living beings. So they react to changes. I've said I'll take you back very fast. And as you know, by being sensitive, living things, in particular the animals, are able to do what? Number 1, to find food. They are able to find food. Number 2, find partners with whom to reproduce. Number 3, identify. Yes?
In class 4.
Yeah, this is grade 4. I'll take you back. I'll take you back, no problem, it is class 4. Identify enemies or predators that may harm them. Then number 4, escape from these enemies or predators. Then number 5, identify the presence of harmful things such as poison, like gases, fires, and rotten food. So I take you back.